Good morning, my dear students. Today we are going to learn lesson 10, Gandhiji, the father of the nation. If we hear Gandhiji, then we knows many things about him. He is a good leader. He is a freedom fighter and more about him. In this lesson, there is a small family. Mrs. Roy, Mr. Sudhir Roy, and Kavita and Pooja. So, Mrs. Roy and Kavita Pooja, they were discussing about Gandhi Jayanti. Okay? So, the living room of Mr. Sudhir Roy. Okay, in their house, and Mrs. Roy is reading a newspaper. Okay, Mrs. Roy, she is reading a newspaper in her room. Kavita, she is an elder daughter. She is 12 years old. And Pooja, younger daughter, she is 9 years old. They have come back from the school. And Pooja, hi mummy, tomorrow is a holiday. She doesn't know why is holiday for tomorrow. But she was happy that tomorrow is a holiday. Tomorrow she doesn't to go school. So she is happy that tomorrow is a holiday. But she doesn't know why is holiday for tomorrow. Because she is a small 9 years old. She doesn't know is that she knows that tomorrow is a holiday. So she is happy. And Mrs. Roy, her mom, Pooja's mom, yes, tomorrow is a holiday. She knows that. It is 2nd October tomorrow because it is 2nd October tomorrow. If it is 2nd October means tomorrow we are going to celebrate Gandhi Jayanti. That's why you got a holiday for tomorrow. We celebrate Gandhi Jayanti on 2nd October. Now Kavita also not much because she is also 12 years old. She is also not know much about Gandhiji. Okay, she knows that where he was born and which year he was born. That much only she knows. Kavita knows. She is also not know much about Gandhi Jayanti. Then Kavita said to her mom, yes mummy, our teacher told us that Mahatma Gandhi was born on 2nd October at Porbandar in Gujarat. She knows that he was born on 2nd October and Porbandar in Gujarat. Which place he was born and which date he was born. That much only she knows. That her teacher told her. And Pooja. Now she asked, Gandhi Jayanti means she doesn't know anything. So she asked, who is Mahatma Gandhi? Who is? Why we are celebrating Gandhi Jayanti? What is the reason? The Pooja asked. Mrs. Roy, her mom, explained her why who is Mahatma Gandhi and why we are celebrating Gandhi Jayanti. Mahatma Gandhi is the father of the nation. So now again she has a doubt. Pooja has a doubt. Father of the nation means what? Why we are calling him as a father of the nation? There are many persons are there. Particularly, why we are calling Gandhiji as a father of the nation? Pooja. Why do we call him the father of the nation? She has doubt again. She doesn't know who is Mahatma Gandhi, why we are celebrating Gandhi Jayanti, and why do we call him as a father of the nation. She doesn't know anything else. Again, she has a doubt. Because all his life he worked for our country and also for the people. So, why we are celebrating as a Gandhi Jayanti, and why do we call him as the father of the nation means he is a person fight for the freedom. Because of him only we got a freedom. Before we are living under the British people. British people ruled us. We don't have any independent, we don't have separate rules and regulations. Whatever the British people say to us, we are follow them. Okay, after the Gandhiji only we got freedom. He is the first person who fought for the freedom. So again Pooja, she doesn't understand why we call him. If he is the father of the nation, he fought for our country, because of him only we got freedom. So that's why we call him as a father of the nation. Again she doesn't understand because she is a small. Mrs. Roy, do you remember when you celebrate Independence Day in the school? Again she doesn't understand what is independent. Independent means what? When we get freedom. Why we are under the British rule? She has many questions she doesn't understand. Then again her mom gave explain what is independent, why we are celebrating Gandhi Jayanti, when we got freedom from the British people. We celebrated Independence Day on 15th August. So Pooja gave reply. She doesn't know why do we celebrate independence, but she knows that when we are celebrating independence. So she said that her mom, we are celebrating Independence Day on 15th August. So now our mom gave reply and explanations to her. Independence means freedom. Independence means freedom. Because of him only now we are free. We are free to go anywhere. We are free to do anything else. We are free to do learn. So we are free to do move any place. But in under the British people, we don't have a freedom to go anywhere. We are like a slave to the British people. Independence means freedom. We get freedom on 15th August 1947. Before that, the British ruled our country. So we got freedom 15th August and 1947. Before that, we are under the British people. The British people ruled our country. We don't have a independence. In those times, the people of our country fought against the British to get freedom. Gandhiji gave leadership to the people who fought against the British. So that time many people fought for our country freedom, but they don't have a good leader to guide them. So that time Gandhiji become a good leader for them to guide them. So they didn't have a non-violence. So through ahimsa he fought for our freedom and finally he got a freedom. And Pooja, today our teacher showed us the photo of Gandhiji. So today in her classroom her teacher talked about the Gandhi Jayanti. She said many about Gandhiji. Now Pooja has some idea about Gandhiji and Gandhi Jayanti. Why do we celebrate Gandhi Jayanti? And why do we call him as a father of the nation? Now she knows some about Gandhi Jayanti. Thank you, my dear children. I hope you understand and you know something about Gandhi Jayanti. Rest of the lessons we will see you tomorrow. Thank you and have a nice day.